Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing package right here in my hand that has a lot of different stuff inside. So just to show you guys what is provided inside, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So let me take out each one to show you guys what is provided first. So these are some rolled wafer snacks, if you guys can see by the brand right there. This is the tiramisu flavor one. Next one we have right here is the hazelnut flavor right there. Next one we have right here is the strawberry flavor. Next one we have right here is the zesty lemon flavor. Next one we have right here is a rich chocolate flavor. Next one we have right here is the vanilla flavor. Next one that we have right here is a rich coffee flavor. So I'm actually excited about this flavor. Next one that we have right here is the cookies and cream flavor. The next one we have right here is the zesty lemon, and I believe this is the same one as the one that's here. Just different packaging, but it should be the same thing. Next one we have right here is a very unique flavor. This is a limited edition flavor, which is pumpkin spice, and I love pumpkin spice. Like every time when they have it available at like Starbucks, I'll go and get it. And the last and final one that we have right here is the premium matcha green tea flavor. So that's basically everything that was provided for us. Let me actually try a few of these out and see what it tastes like and everything, and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so for the first one that we're going to try is the vanilla flavor right here. I'm sorry that audio didn't really work out, there were some issues, but we're going to try the vanilla flavor first. So let's open it up. So when we open up the inside, this is basically what it looks like. You guys can definitely smell the vanilla flavor and everything. And this is what it looks like, you guys can see. So here's a better look for you guys. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So for this one, you guys can definitely taste like the vanilla flavor and everything. It's not like super powerful for like the vanilla flavor, but it's pretty good. Alright, so you can see this is basically what the inside looks like. You guys can see like the vanilla cream and everything. Alright, so the next one that we'll try is the strawberry flavor. So the moment we open up, you guys can definitely smell like the strawberry smell and the flavor and everything. And this is what the inside looks like, you guys can see. So this is what the strawberry one looks like, if you can see. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So for the strawberry one, it actually tastes really good. There's a lot of like the fresh strawberry like taste to it. And this is what the inside looks like, if you can see. There's a lot of like strawberry filling inside the cream itself. So the next one we're gonna try is the hazelnut flavor. So when we smell the hazelnut like inside the bag and everything, it definitely has like a pretty strong hazelnut flavor. But this is what it looks like, as you can see. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So the hazelnut one actually tastes pretty good. There was a little bit of like a burnt flavor, but there's definitely like a really strong like hazelnut flavor when you guys take your first bite on it. And it tastes really good though. So you guys can see this is what the inside looks like. You guys can see like the hazelnut cream and everything. So the next one that I'm gonna try right here is the chocolate flavor one. So you can see this is basically what the chocolate one looks like. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So the chocolate flavor one, it tastes pretty good. It is like a pretty strong chocolate flavor, but it's not like super dark like bitter the chocolate taste, which is what I like. Next one we're gonna try is the tiramisu right here. So you guys can see this is basically what the tiramisu one looks like. Let's give it a try. So the tiramisu one is actually pretty good. You definitely get that tiramisu taste to it. And this is what the inside looks like, as you can see. Definitely has a lot of like the tiramisu cream. Alright, next we're gonna try the zesty lemon right here. So when we smell the lemon flavor one, it's actually really powerful. There's like a really strong lemon flavor on it. There's like a burst of like lemon flavor the moment you guys open the bag. And this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. Definitely looks very lemony. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like though. So like the lemon flavor is actually really good. It's like a burst of lemon flavor into your mouth. It's just like so much filling inside. It's crazy. Like out of all the ones that we tried so far, this is the best one, my favorite one so far, because it's just like a strong, powerful lemon taste. And especially if you guys love lemon, it's like perfect. And you guys can see this is basically what the inside looks like. So next we're gonna try the matcha green tea one. You guys can see this is a way bigger can compared to the other one right here. You guys can see it's much more smaller. So you definitely get a lot more to eat in the bigger one than the smaller ones. So when you open up the actual bag itself, you definitely get like a matcha smell to it. It's not like super strong matcha flavor, but you definitely get that matcha flavor once you guys smell it. So you guys can see this is basically what it looks like. This is the matcha wafer rolls. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So the matcha one tastes pretty good. You definitely get like that matcha taste, but it's not like a super strong matcha like flavor compared to other ones that I've tried in the past for like the matcha tea and everything. But it is still pretty good. So the next one I'm gonna try right here is the cookies and creams. So the moment we open up the bag, you guys can definitely smell like the flavor of the cookie and creams and everything. And this is what it looks like if you guys can see. You can definitely see like that outer layer of the black and the inner layer is like white with that white cream. And this is basically what it looks like if you guys can see. Looks amazing. Let's give it a try. So the taste of the cookies and cream is pretty good. You definitely get that cookies and cream flavor. Definitely the inner layer is like filled with the cream. Then you can taste like the cream and the cookies, kind of like that Oreo taste to it. So the next one I'm gonna try right here is the pumpkin spice. And when we smell the pumpkin spice, it smells amazing. There's like a huge smell of like the pumpkin spice and everything. And this is basically what it looks like. You guys can see that's a little bit crumbled and everything inside, but that's because the canister was a little bit dent. So it might have been damaged during the transportation or delivery. But this is what it looks like if you can see. You guys can definitely see that pumpkin spice or pumpkin color. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So the flavor of the pumpkin spice is actually really good. It's like a pretty instant taste. Like pretty much after your first bite, you guys can taste like the pumpkin spice flavor and everything infused into your mouth. And I actually love like pumpkin spice, so this is actually really good. So the last and final one that we have right here is the rich coffee flavor. Like the moment we took a smell at the actual product itself, you guys can definitely smell that strong coffee flavor and burst into your like nose or mouth or whatever. If you guys see, this is basically what it looks like. You definitely see that like coffee kind of like color or texture to it, but give it a try and see what it tastes like. So this one had a lot of coffee flavor. Like the moment you guys put it into your mouth, it's like infused with coffee. The coffee taste and everything is like really creamy and like really good. It's so good to the point where it's like almost like you're drinking like a cup of coffee. Alright, so now that we tried all the flavor of each one of these wafer rolls itself, none of these are actually bad at all. They all taste really good, like super fresh. All the ingredients that they use on here is like natural ingredients that is like the best quality. And I feel like if you guys ate these with like tea or coffee, it goes really well. So now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think these are actually really worth it if you guys are trying to look for like a really cool snacks to go with like your tea or coffee, just like how I mentioned earlier. The packaging itself looks amazing for all of these. You guys can see, you guys definitely get that premium look to it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout of the Day, we have